Y'all, look right here. Beautiful flathead. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice little flathead. Probably about 8, 9.5 pounds, something like that. Curl that tail back here, buddy old pal. I don't know if it's a buddy old pal or a buddy old girl. But anyway, yeah, the wind's blowing like a daggone crazy out of the west. My hand stuck it out, and I got rewarded with this. So I am super proud of this, y'all. Well, all right, y'all. I'm gonna put it back in. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for giving me the thumbs up. Thanks for all my subscribers. Y'all are the best. All right, y'all. I'm putting this back into the depths. Maybe I get one about 3 times this size. Just think the Lord maybe that happened. See y'all.